Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change the air filter in your Buick Envision. First, locate the air filter housing, typically found under the hood. Before you begin, make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. You will also want to gather a few basic tools, like a screwdriver, which might be needed to unfasten the housing clips or screws. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Once the housing is accessible, carefully unclip or unscrew the cover to expose the filter. There are usually a few clips or screws holding it in place. Gently lift out the old, dirty air filter, taking note of its orientation. This step is crucial because the new filter needs to be installed in the exact same way to ensure proper airflow and filtration. Dispose of the old filter responsibly. Now take your new air filter and carefully insert it into the housing, making sure it matches the orientation of the old one. Ensure the filter seats snugly and evenly within the housing, without any gaps. Once it's perfectly in place, reattach the cover, securing all clips or screws. Double-check that the housing is completely sealed to prevent unfiltered air from entering your engine. Replacing your air filter regularly offers significant benefits. A clean filter ensures optimal engine performance, better fuel efficiency, and extends the life of your engine by preventing contaminants from entering. It's a simple, cost-effective maintenance task that makes a big difference. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your engine breathing clean air is just as important as keeping yourself hydrated.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.